I'm Michelle Simone and I'm a hairstylist, and today we're going to show you how to make shoulder length hair curly. The curling iron that I'm using today is a 1-inch barrel, and this is going to give you some nice big loose waves as opposed to using a smaller curling iron, which will give you kind of a tighter curl. So what I'm going to do is take the hair into small sections about 1 or 2 inches wide, and I'm going to hold the curling iron vertically so that we can wrap the hair away from the face around the curling iron, and then just twist and pull the hair down. Twist, pull the hair down. This way, your hair is going to, the ends of your hair will stay the least amount of time in the curling iron where they are the most fragile. So pull it through and then just let it go. Take another section, same thing. Hold the curling iron vertically, clamp it right at the top, wrap the hair around, and then just twist the curling iron and pull down. You're going to twist and pull, all the way to the ends. The longer you hold it in the curling iron, the tighter the curl, the less amount of time, the looser the curl. So once you've done this, you're just going to continue all the way around your head. And depending on how messy or neat you want it, you can shake your fingers through it, get it to piece up, make it a little more playful, or you can leave it as it is if you want a smoother, sleeker look. So that's it. We just showed you how to make shoulder length hair curly.